AutoGenesis is back, and today we're witnessing the end of an era and the start of a legend. Meet the Lamborghini Revuelto, the successor to the Aventador. But this isn't just a new V12. This is the first ever HPEV from Sant'Agata. But this isn't just a new V12. This is the first ever HPEV from Sant'Agata. They call it the High Performance Electrified Vehicle. And it's a game changer. The design is pure, unadulterated Lambo, aggressive, sharp, and absolutely stunning. Look at the iconic Y shape. It's everywhere, from the lights to the vents. This car is a direct descendant of the Countach and the Diablo. The carbon fiber monocoque is completely new, lighter and stiffer. Every line is optimized for aerodynamics. This active rear wing is constantly adjusting for maximum downforce or minimum drag. Now let's talk power. The heart of the beast is still that incredible V12. It's a brand new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, the lightest ever. But here's the magic. It's paired with 3 electric motors. One motor integrated into the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. And 2 more motors driving the front wheels. That's what makes this an EAWD system. The total system output? 1,001 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 217 miles per hour. And the sound, it's still the unmistakable, glorious Lamborghini roar. This hybrid setup isn't about being green, it's about being faster. Time to step inside this fighter jet cockpit. The interior is a massive leap forward in technology and comfort. We have 3 digital displays: the driver, the central screen, and even one for the passenger. The steering wheel has 4 distinct drive mode selectors. We have Città, Strada, Sport, and Corsa, plus the Recharge, Hybrid, and Performance modes. Città is the fully electric mode, silent driving for the city streets. But you know what we're here for? Corsa mode, the track setting. The seats are snug, and the visibility is surprisingly good. The exposed carbon fiber structure inside is a constant reminder of the car's DNA. Even the air vents carry that signature hexagonal pattern. Let's take a closer look at the rear, where the V12 Symphony plays. The elevated, hexagonal exhaust pipes are a beautiful, brutal design element. The battery pack is housed in the central tunnel, keeping the weight distribution perfect. This car is fundamentally an answer to tightening emissions regulations. Lamborghini didn't compromise. They innovated. They made it more powerful. It's proof that the V12 engine can evolve. It can survive. The transition is seamless. You can barely feel the hybrid system working. The torque fill from the electric motors eliminates any turbo lag feel. Pure, instant power. This is what a modern 21st century hypercar should be. It's more emotional, more engaging, and yet completely cutting edge. Every single component screams performance. Every detail is intentional. The Revuelto is a bold statement. Lamborghini is not just surviving, it's dominating the electric future. The king of the hypercars is officially here. What do you think of this 1001 horsepower V12 hybrid beast? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AutoGenesis for more Road Trippers action. We'll see you next time.